If you're fully vaccinated in the U.S., adding an extra COVID vaccine won't hurt, but it may not help either. New research shows mixing the AstraZeneca and Pfizer vaccines is safe and effective.
The AstraZeneca was never studied as a one dose.
Dr. Monica Gandhi, a leader in the infectious disease field, reminds us that the AstraZeneca shot, which is intended to be a 2-dose vaccine, is not approved in the U.S.
It was always supposed to be boosted, 4, 6, 8, 12 weeks. It depends on what each country decides.
Johnson & Johnson's vaccine does use the same technology as AZ, but they've been studied and shown to work as a 1-dose single shot.
We don't have a wealth of data to say how well you'll be protected by a second vaccine.
The National Institutes of Health just started recruiting people for an early phase 1/2 clinical trial to look at booster doses of different COVID-19 vaccines and how mixing them works, like someone fully vaccinated with J&J getting a Moderna booster, for example. The CDC does not recommend getting extra doses of vaccines. CVS and Walgreens tell Newsy they're going with the CDC guidance for now, too. The other part of this is something called breakthrough infections, when someone who's already been fully vaccinated still gets COVID-19. That's rare. To date, of the more than 150 million Americans fully vaccinated, only 4,115 have gotten a breakthrough infection. The CDC says that number is likely undercounted, but overall, it's still a rare thing.
There's no evidence that we have more breakthrough infections in this country from the Johnson & Johnson dose than we do with the mRNA vaccines.
This shit's real scary.
That was the case for Daniel Richard of Aurora, Colorado. He just returned home from the COVID ICU. He had been fully vaccinated with a Pfizer mRNA vaccine earlier this year.
Wear your mask, get vaccinated, wear your mask after you're vaccinated.
Bottom line, experts say it comes down to personal choice if someone wants to get an extra dose. But the science on that, we don't know yet. Lindsay Thies, Newsy, San Francisco.